how to send a private message on Facebook to a non-friend. So if you want to send a private message on Facebook to a non-friend, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your Facebook, now you just need to simply go and log into your account. In my case, I'm in my page. So I'll just simply go and log into my account. Now, once you're on your account, if you want to send a private message to a non-friend, like for example, you can go with your search, which will be in the top right, and then search for a person. Now, once you've searched for the person, you need to tap on the profile. Now, in my case, as you can see, that it says add friend, which means I've not added this person. So if you want to send a private message to a non-friend like this, then you can go with message, which will be on the right side, tap on it, and then you will get this kind of interface. You need to go with the bottom, which is your message bar, and then send something like hi or hello, and then go with send, which will be on the right side, and it will be sent. It's that easy to send a private message on Facebook to a non-friend. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.